Can you really live off passive income alone? Imagine waking up every morning with money flowing into your account without lifting a finger. Sounds like the dream, right? You scroll through Instagram and see influencers, entrepreneurs, and investors all claiming to make passive income their reality. But is it really possible? Or is it just another social media fantasy? Stay with me until the end because we're about to uncover the truth. And I'll bet it's not what you expect. Can you really live off passive income alone? We've all heard it. Earn money in your sleep. You've probably seen it plastered all over your social feeds. Get rich without working a 9 to 5. Passive income is the holy grail of modern wealth building, and who wouldn't want it? Now let's break it down. What exactly is passive income? It's money that flows in with minimal ongoing effort. Think YouTube videos that earn ad revenue while you sleep, digital products that sell themselves, or even rental properties where tenants pay you monthly just for owning something. The idea is tempting, isn't it? No boss, no deadlines, and you're free to live life on your terms. Sounds perfect, right? But before you rush out to quit your job and start your passive empire, let me hit you with a question. Do you really think that's how it works? I mean, do you honestly believe you can just post a couple of YouTube videos and then kick back while the dollars roll in? Let's find out. Here's the cold, hard truth. Passive income can be powerful, but it's not the magic shortcut many people think it is. You see, the real work starts up front. Building a passive income stream takes time, months, sometimes years. Even if you create that online course or set up a YouTube channel, you'll need to invest heavily in content creation, marketing, and building an audience. It's not just about creating something and waiting for the checks to come in. Let's talk numbers. If you're earning income from something like an ebook, the real revenue doesn't come from just one sale. To make it big, you need thousands of sales over time. The same goes for investing in real estate. You'll need significant capital to buy property. And that doesn't even count the maintenance cost and the long-term nature of those returns. And here's the kicker. Most people don't prepare for the inevitable setbacks. You might have a great idea, but not enough demand. Or maybe you've spent all your savings investing in a rental property, only to have a leak in the roof that cost you thousands. Does that sound like the easy life to you? Now, let's talk strategy. So, you're still determined to make passive income work, right? Let me share the mindset shift that could be your golden ticket. You can live off passive income, but it requires persistence, strategy, and a lot of upfront work. Here's where it gets exciting. Once you've built a system, something like a blog, YouTube channel, or a few rental properties, you can create the financial freedom you've been dreaming of. But, and here's the big but, it's all about the right systems and automations. You need to build scalable models. You need to automate what you can. Think about it. Would you prefer to build a blog that brings in steady income every month, or a product that needs constant updates and customer support? And here's the best part. You can do this with the right planning, but the key is not to get complacent. Passive income isn't a set it and forget it game. You'll still need to keep an eye on your investments, tweak your strategies, and make smart decisions to stay ahead of the curve. But there's one crucial thing you need to know before you even begin. So, can you really live off passive income alone? The short answer is yes. But here's the secret. Most people who are living entirely off passive income have multiple income streams working in harmony. They don't rely on just one source, they diversify. And guess what? If you think one big passive income source will be enough to cover your entire lifestyle, especially as you get older and your needs grow, think again. You need to be strategic about building these income streams over time and consistently adapt to the changing market. Imagine this. If you're earning passive income from an e-commerce store, YouTube, and real estate, that's a solid foundation. But if you only rely on one, you're at risk of burning out or losing everything when things go south. That's why it's so important to take a step back and ask yourself, am I really prepared to build this? Or am I just chasing a pipe dream? Okay, I know, now you're probably thinking, can't I just win the lottery instead? I wish, right? But this isn't about luck, it's about smart, calculated decisions. All right, so here's the big takeaway. Living off passive income alone is possible, but it's not going to happen overnight. The road to financial freedom through passive income requires strategy, hard work, and persistence. It's about building systems that work for you and diversifying those income streams. But here's the catch. If you're serious about making this a reality, don't wait. Start today, even if it's just taking small steps. Whether it's learning how to create digital products, investing in real estate, or starting a blog, you have to start now. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Or will you keep dreaming of the perfect passive income lifestyle without taking action? Your future is in your hands, and it's time to make those dreams a reality. Text on screen. Are you ready to make your passive income dreams come true? Hit that subscribe button and let's dive in.